This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the PUBG Mobile Korean version without a virtual private network. First, you need to understand that the key is acquiring the correct game client. We will avoid complicated network configurations or external tools that often slow your connection. Instead, we will focus on direct and reliable methods. This guide ensures a smooth setup, letting you dive into the action quickly and efficiently. Many players seek out the Korean version for its distinct advantages. You will often find exclusive events, providing different challenges and rewards. There are also unique cosmetic items, from outfits to weapon skins, that are simply not available in other regional versions. Additionally, the Korean client is known for more generous crate opening rates, giving you a better chance at those coveted legendary items. It offers a fresh experience for seasoned players. The simplest way to get the Korean version without a virtual private network is by using a trusted third-party app store. Websites like TapTap host the official game files directly. Navigate to their website in your mobile browser, then download and install their app. After launching the TapTap app, use its search bar to find PUBG Mobile KR. Ensure you download the correct version, then proceed with the installation, which is a straightforward process. Once the download completes, your phone or tablet will ask for permission to install apps from outside its official store. Simply grant this permission for a few moments, then complete the installation. When you first open the game, it will download necessary internal assets, usually totaling several hundred megabytes. This initial resource download can take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Be patient and make sure your device has ample storage before starting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.